It's great to have you here. Welcome to this new video. I greet the community and also the new members who have joined us who may also want to get into the topic of vehicle care and car wash by hand. In this video, I want to take a closer look at the topic of starter sets, as I have been receiving more and more inquiries in this area via WhatsApp, where I will put something together with you and also need to link some older videos. But I can actually post another ER version 2001 for you online now, and that's why this short, compact video on the topic of what should one get at the beginning. What should be included? What are we looking at in terms of price, and is it perhaps more worthwhile to take 500 ml bottles or rather 1L bottles? This morning, I put together two different sets here at my computer. You will see that they don't differ very much, especially in the category of tools, which includes the wheel brush and wash bucket. You can of course choose colors however you like. However, there are just some absolute favorite products for me. But you can always look for alternatives as well. Let's take a look together. I will now show you an image on the side of a set that I have put together, which includes many great items and also absolute favorite products. So there is nothing in it that I would say, yes, we included this just because of the low price. Actually, the performance is really poor. These sets are about achieving maximum performance for each individual product category 2001 at a completely fair price. And that is what it's all about. Get the maximum? Don't make compromises and say, well, for the dirt trap, I'll just take the two cheaper ones. But that won't work properly. No, we take the best there is, the favorites, and they are included in this set. So, what is all included? Of course, we start with the most important wash bucket. Here you can choose, and that brings us to the alternatives. You can now select a wash bucket even without a lid. There are also gallon buckets available that are a bit cheaper. I have selected a set here that practically includes both the bucket and the lid, as well as the large 5-gallon bucket. You can see it over there in this gold yellow. I have brought it here as a representative in this smoke tone. And there are again various options to choose from. You can also pick a different bucket, but a wash bucket is simply part of it. We always assume that we will use the one bucket wash method with a dirt trap and a wash mitt. You can later expand this as you wish. But this is really a nice starter set. So, a wash bucket with a lid in different colors is included in the set for $17.90. Then I have a drying towel included because you need that one way or another. $14.90. I believe this is not the 80x50, but the 60x40 included here as a symbol. Drying towel, maximum size. Here too, you can choose. Take one large and one small, take two small ones, or take one large. I chose the largest one here, 80x50, 1400 GSM, the perfect fiber for me. There is also 1600 GSM, which is super absorbent as well, but I find those towels almost too heavy when going over the car. Even when the car is sealed and there isn't much water, the towels just soak up so much water. The handling is definitely a bit of an adjustment. That's why 1400 GSM is my absolute favorite towels. They are also available in many different colors. $14.90. Then you can see. The next tool we need here on the side, and here, I even have the right one with me, a wash glove 1400 GSM 1090-11. There are also various options available. I have really focused on the absolute price performance killers here, where you can truly say best fiber, best workmanship, best price. So, no compromises here. Yes, cheap gloves for $1.99 really are the best you can find on the market, and you have that included here as well. It costs $11. When it comes to wheel brushes, there is only one wheel brush that achieves top performance in all categories. This is the one from ChemicalWorkz. This is the small version. There are two different versions. Here in the set that you see on the side, the small version is included. There is also a long version, which has a slightly greater overall length and a larger head. In 2001, you can choose what you need. Please use our wheel measurement chart, which I will link for you below. There you can measure exactly how much space you have left. Does that fit in there well? But I believe that if you can't get in there with the wheel brush, no other microfiber wheel brush will do the job, which is why microfiber is included here as well. I wanted to choose the best for the interchangeable covers, just like with the other products. Next, we move on to the dirt trap. You can also see the detail guards, dirt lock down here. Here it is again with the scrub wall included. This is not part of the set because normally you can use this dirt trap without these walls and simply rub your glove on the bottom. And this dirt trap is, for me, the most effective dirt trap there is. In terms of design, it is absolutely top-notch and it includes the best of the best. And that's where I spend a bit more money. You can also spend significantly less money here. There are dirt traps for 6, 7 or something like that, but they just don't work as reliably. And I say again, it's not about being cheap, because if that's the case, then just leave it. Leave it to me in the area of vehicle care. If you bring home some junk that doesn't work properly, then there's no point in buying it in the first place. It just doesn't make sense. That's why the Detail Guard's Dirt Lock is included. Next, I have another tool that you will also need later for the glass cleaner. This is the ADBL G Special Glass Cleaning Cloth. This is also representative. You can also include another waffle cloth here if you say, for example, a carbon cloth or a finer waffle structure or a coarser waffle structure. I have now included my cloth in the price range of 3 to 5. This is truly the cream of the crop. And what I have shown you so far, here on the side is also what is always included in every set with me, what I would always put in. As mentioned, you can now choose the color for the bucket and you can change the color of the drying towel. Also, a gray and white variant of the wash glove, so an anthracite and white variant. But these are the basics that remain in both sets. Now, if we take a look at the chemicals, I have here on the side everything made in 500 ml bottles. We know that 500 ml usually has the worst price to quantity ratio. This means that the larger the volume, the better the price. But I still said, I'll put together a set so you can see what it actually costs. I've included the following products for you. 500 ml, always 500 ml. Shiny garage-based shampoo, really good. The price-performance ratio is absolutely top-notch. I included snow foam from Good Stuff for $5.90. Also 500 ml, very good, pH neutral. Then we have an insect remover, really very strong and reliable. 500 ml with Canyon Trigger, that is the spray head. And here we have the ADBL Beetle Shoe Squeezer included. Then, as a glass cleaner, we have the Perfect Glass Cleaner from Shiny Garage in 500 ml for $5.90 and the ADBL Vampire Light in 500 ml for $9.90. With this, you really have absolute favorite products included. Here too, you can find alternatives again. I will pick out a few for you, but overall, it is truly a dream combination. 2001 from the manufacturer probably has Garage, Twice Good Stuff and ADBL. However, there is also a 500 ml variant from Sonax, which I believe costs $7.90. That would be $2 cheaper. Wheel Brush Special Edition. So you just need to take a look. However, I really oriented myself towards the products that I absolutely think are great and that show excellent performance. That's why I decided to go with these here. Now you can see the entire composition and the price on the side here. And then we should actually come to 106.14. If you consider what such a starter set costs, it's around 2001. There are also starter sets for 50 or 60, but just take a look at what's included. Sometimes there are really small bottles or significantly less selection, or of course products that don't work very well. I'm referring to the entire market now and just taking a closer look. 106 if you want everything in 500 ml bottles. And now comes the comparison to L bottles, which essentially means double the amount for each product. And if we take a look at that, we keep the bucket, dirt trap, wash glove, drying towel, wheel brush, and glass cloth the same, and now we just change everything to an L. And here we see we arrive at a price of $125.94, 126. That means we have about 19-20 difference, but with that, we have double the amount of Shiny Garage-based shampoo, ADBL Vampire Light among the chemical products. Here, I have now added the ADBL Hall Awesome Glass Cleaner 2 to the glass cleaner. For the snow foam, I switched to the Innova KS Foamy because there is no 500 ml variant available. Here, the 1 liter variant is 11.90, and for the insect remover, I switched from the Beetle Shoe Squeezer to the Bug Remover from FX Protect. Of course, you can always find alternatives there as well. For me, it has always been about minimizing price while still maximizing performance. And that's why we are now looking at the total price of this, in my opinion, absolutely top, perfectly assembled starter set of 125, 126. Now you can use the discount code and get an additional 10% off. With that, you have an absolutely perfectly assembled set for under 130 euros, in my personal opinion, made up of all the products that we have tested multiple times, which we still use very often and have scored a lot of points in many tests, especially regarding the wheel brush, 2001, and everything that goes with it. So, in my opinion, you are completely perfectly equipped. Feel free to write in the comments below if you have any ideas on what could be changed. Maybe you have an alternative product, so feel free to include it. But I believe I have really picked out the cream of the crop here. However, you will also always find products from Sonax, for example. What else do we have at Good Stuff, for example, alternative products that are also priced at the same level with the same volume? You can also vary there. And if you have any questions, I'm available anytime on WhatsApp. If you also want to get into this topic and want to put together a set, then you've definitely seen the right video at this moment and can contact me anytime on WhatsApp if you need a bit more information or perhaps want an alternative. Or if you say, I would like a shampoo with lychee scent, for example, or after cookie. Feel free to contact me anytime. I am always available for you. If you want to support us, quite openly and honestly, feel free to use our discount code DetailingSchool, and the old code xaronfr still works just the same, and that should also work with the products here. Sometimes some items are already so heavily discounted that the code doesn't work. Therefore, it's a good practice to always enter it routinely, and it will definitely be deducted from the products where it's possible. It should actually work everywhere for those. Until then, you're Sebastian. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Have fun with vehicle care, enjoy the nice weather, and we'll hear from each other again, see each other on WhatsApp and in the next video. Bye guys.